Alright, we're going to install an automatic door closer. Since I already installed it and spent an hour figuring out stuff, my problem is my drywall is larger than the door frame. So I had a piece of wood in here. So, alright guys, make sure your barrel is exposed all the way around. You're going to need to put your spanner wrench back here. Alright. Now, everybody's... I'm not going to take it out because it's already loaded up. So you take this pin out, push these all the way open to the here, okay? And you come back in with your spanner wrench. Take your spanner wrench and bring it all in until it gets the first tightness, okay? Then look for your first drop. Open hole. Now, one of these holes is going to have the spring from the bottom up through, so you got to watch, and your spanner wrench is going to be in one of these holes. Bring it up, get it taut just a little bit. Go back, drop your pin in, come back around, put your spanner wrench far as you can, and come back and draw this. Then look for your holes that are open and drop your pin in. Always pull your tension up first. Then drop this down on, and you should be good to go. Now, Mutsy out there won't be blasting the door open and leaving it open. Ah, baby girl.